Hey roller skaters, today we are going to be talking about negotiating cracks. Cracks in concrete, they're terrifying when you're outdoor skating. So hopefully this video will help you guys get better at that, because that's what we want. We want to help you guys get better. That's always what our intentions are. So I think there's a few things that are important. Get some soft big wheels. They'll help you get over things like that, and rocks and other debris as well. The other is the stance to be in. You don't want to be straight up and down. That's dangerous and a recipe to crash. So be feet staggered. What I mean by staggered, you probably have heard this before, maybe you have. One foot in front of the other, left or right, doesn't matter. And drop your butt at the hinge at the hips and stay real low. This is a lot more stable position. So get those, I think, get your setup right first, and then these cracks will come a lot easier as far as negotiating them. So there's a few ways to do these. This one here, I can roll if Jazz gets a shot of that. It's somewhat, I don't know, it looks a little scary. You don't know if you can roll it, but it will hang me up. So the first technique, I think, is unweighting your body, which basically you don't have to jump to get over that crack. You can just unweight your body right as you get up to the crack. What I mean by unweighting is you're going to be low as though you're going to jump, but instead of jumping, you're just going to rise up, and that's going to send your weight up and unweight your feet so that you kind of float over that crack a lot easier. So we'll try that one first.
Okay.
Not much room here. So you're rolling along. Oh, there's a crack.
Oh,
see?
Yeah.
Stay real low, and then right as you get to that crack, you rise up.
Okay.
It just sends the weight upward. You can still hear me hitting the crack, but I floated over it a lot easier. So practice those, maybe. Then I guess probably the next one would be just rolling along, staggered stance, and just stepping over the crack with one foot and then the other. So we'll do that one. It's a pretty simple one. You're rolling along, staggered stance, you just step over with one foot. I know this might sound or look beginnerish, but it is. This is scary when you're first skating outdoor.
Oh yeah,
So your staggered stance, just step over with that one foot. And just watch where you put your feet, you know, look where you're going to step. It will help your mechanics. So then I think the next one would be when you're traveling with more speed. There's a few ways to do this one. You can either jump from one foot and then the other, or jump both feet at the same time. They're both fun. So we'll do the 1 foot one first.
Okay. Get a little speed?
Get a little speed.
Okay.
Staggered stance.
Oh.
1 foot in it. That was fun.
Yeah.
Because you can jump real far. See, staggered stance. You can jump farther that way, like jumping from 1 foot to the other. In one of my previous videos in the playlist, check it out, I talk about jumping from 1 foot to the other, getting over traction pads and things like that. It's a good skill to learn if you have to jump out of the way to land on 1 foot and still balance. All right, so practice those. And maybe you want to try jumping both feet at the same time, okay? Gotta get some speed. Okay.
All right, get some speed. Here he comes, coming toward the crack.
Room here.
Ooh.
That one, when you're jumping, those are fun. What you want to do is you want to get up to the crack, come up close, drop your butt, get real low, and feet staggered as much as you can. When you go to jump, you're going to bring your arms up and jump up and just unspring. Bring your feet up to you, and then reach for the ground when you go to land with your feet. And then as you hit the ground, compress back down. Lots of skaters have talked about this on their channel, so it might seem repetitive, but it's important. Practice landing smoothly. That'll help with injuries and knees as you get older, things like that. So I'll do another jump, all right?
Okay, let's see it. Backing up for speed. Coming toward.
Get a little speed. See, I tried to land really soft. That's important as you get old like me, okay? So those are a few ways that will hopefully help you guys get better at navigating these terrifying obstacles, as small as they may seem, okay? So if you like that video, our video, hit the like button. And we really, as always, appreciate you guys checking out our channel. Until next time, we'll see you later.